'tis the captain, Mr. Bass, back in the house. Before we do anything, I want to give a quick shout out to myself. Okay, I want to give a quick shout out to all you guys for holding it down, doing a great job today, and for some of you tomorrow, because I know that's what you do. So let's go ahead and get this. I'll try to make these notes pretty quick for you again, because I know you like it when the notes go quickly. All right, so today we're talking about solving equations with distribution. Okay, so we're going to solve some of these equations with the distributive property. A lot of you all are making this happen. You know what you're doing, all right? So I'm just going to give you a little bit of practice. Again, they're like 5 steps. Let's remember them. 1 is always distribute, if you can. 2, combine like terms. 3, variables on one side, constants on the other side of the equation. 4, isolate your variable by multiplying and dividing. 5, simplify. Okay, those are those 5 steps. We keep talking about them over and over again, so make sure you got it down right. Okay, so let us apply those 5 steps to just a couple problems. This is going to be a short one. I'm going to do, let's say, 3 problems. So let's take this first one. And it says, let's take a complicated one. X minus 2 times 3, x minus 2 equals -6. Not so bad. First step. Actually, stop it. You do this first. Do it before I do it. Listen to me. Make it happen. Alright, so you paused it. You did it. First thing, distribute. Take this -2 and I distribute it. -2 times 3 is -6x. -2 times -2 is +4. All that equals -6, and I have the x here. First, distribute. Second, combine like terms. Here are like terms on the same side of the equal sign. I have 1 minus 6. I have $1. I owe you $6. I still owe you 5x's plus 4 equals -6. 3, variables on one side, constants on the other side. I want to get rid of this 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. 0 is nothing. It's gone. Do -4 here, so I do -4 here. -5x equals -10. And if -5x equals -10, I isolate my variable, which was my 4th step. Divide by -5. -5 divided by -5 is 1. That's what I want. I want to know what 1x is. 1x equals 2. There is my answer. Okay? Next one, same deal. I'm going to put it up here. You solve it before I do it. Do they got any harder ones, man? Alright, solve this equation. It says 4 times 2y plus 1 minus 6y equals 18. Right? So let's make it happen. 1, distribute. Did you do it already? You should have paused and done it before me. Because you ain't a scrub. You like to think. Make your brain grow. Make your brain grow. Yeah. Distribute. 1. 4 times 2 is 8. That becomes an 8y. 4 times 1 is 4. Minus 6y equals 18. Combine like terms. These can be put together. I have 8 y's and I owe you 6. Once I pay you back, I would have 2 y's. 2y plus 4 equals 18. Get all my constants on one side. I'm going to put my constants over here, keep my variables over here. 4 minus 4 is 0. That's gone. 18 minus 4 is 14. 2y equals 14. I need to isolate y. 2 divided by 2 is 1. That's what I want. So 1y equals, 14 divided by 2, which is 7. One problem down, 2 problems down. I hope you can see those. Let's go to the third problem. They gotta have something harder than this. Ooh, yeah. Let's do this one. This says 2/3 times 4x minus 9 equals 12. I actually just made it up. It wasn't from the book. It's not going to be pretty. You're smart enough to do this with fractions. Do it without me. See what you get. Don't be scared. You ain't never scared. You everywhere. They ain't never there. So, distribute 2/3 times 4. 2/3 times 4 over 1. We know how to do fractions. This becomes 8 over 3. So I get 8/3 x minus 2/3 times negative 9. 2/3 times 9 over 1. 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 1 is 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6. Equals 12. Move everything over. I don't want this 6 over here, but I do want the 8/3. So I'm going to get rid of 6. I'm going to go plus 6. Plus 6. This might work out decent. 8/3 x equals 18. Here's the part that I always notice people get a little messed up on. How do I get rid of this 8/3? Well, think about it. What is happening to 8/3 and x? They are being multiplied. This means 8/3 times x. How do I get rid of multiplication? I divide. So I go back and I say, okay, divide by 8/3, 18, divided by 8/3. So I look at this like a fraction, left with x. How do I do a dividing fractions problem? Well, I put this over 1, I flip the second fraction, and I multiply. We've all passed this. So, 18 over 1 times 3 over 8. It gives me, I don't know, 18 times 3, 8 times 2 is 24. 64 over 8. Look at this. What is 64 divided by 8? 8. X equals 8. Crazy looking problem, nice pretty answer. So ask yourself, do I know what the deal is? Am I ready to hold it down? Am I going to make my brain grow? Am I going to keep working harder? And I'm going to make this con stuff happen. You guys are doing a good job. Keep it up. Hope you have a good weekend, because I ain't going to see you. But I'll see you when I see you. Mr. Bass, I'm out.